What's going on, guys? It's BE 2023 here, and happy 24th anniversary to Wild Animals. And today we'll be doing the comparison of that. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to go through the 1 VHS tape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 DVDs, 1 Discovery Kit, 1 flashcard, 1 book, 1 coloring book, and 2, 4, 6 puppets. So yeah. First up is the 1 VHS tape. It's the Wild Animals late 2002 VHS with the Wild Animals soundtrack CD. I accidentally ripped this part here when I was little because I had this since I was little. Bought at Goodwill, so I taped it up right here. So yeah, and still CD in there. So yeah, and I accidentally did a crayon stain on here, and a stain I accidentally got on here. To the sticker, or it came like that. I can't remember. Anyways, here's the front, the back, the side, other side, top, but the tape still plays fine, and the rest of the cover is in perfect condition. Well, the cover is in perfect condition. Here's the inside. The CD is all scratched up. It still works fine. Yes, smudges, but it still plays fine. Here's the Wild Animals soundtrack CD. It's really pretty, as we all know that. Here's the tape with the ink label in black top and normal reels, and the print date is June 19, 2002. Alright, now on to the 5 DVDs. So, here's the Wild Animals mid-2002 DVD because, yep, that's right. So here's the front, the back, the side, disc, parent's guide. Okay, next is the Wild Animals early 2004 DVD front, back. I thought that was a piece of hair, but no. It's the side. It's just a little messed up back on the cover. Or I don't know. Anyways, here's the disc and the inserts. Here's the 03 booklet front, back. Just going through the pages real quick, since I don't want this video to be too long. Come on, here. And here's the early 04 parent's guide. Next is the Wild Animals Canadian late 2004 DVD front, back, side. Oh my god. Sorry. I just had an itch. Disc and the parent's guide. Wait. Sorry. Another itch. Alright, next is the Wild Animals 2007 DVD front, back, side. Disc and the parent's guide, which is, the parent's guide is the exact same name as the 04 one, so I'm not going to show it. And this parent's guide right here is not in the best condition. but the disc still works fine. Alright, last War Animals DVD is it's the 26 Blue Light box set. This one, which it plays earlier for. Alright, next is the Wild Animal Safari 2010 Discovery Kit. Front, back, side. Here is the DVD and the CD. And the chapter list. Just trying to be careful not to show my face. Okay, next is the the one flashcard is the Baby Doolittle flashcards 2001. Now, I already done the review. I done a review on this on Naver Animals' 24th anniversary, so you can go check it out. Okay, next is the one book, the Baby Noah Wild Animals 2007 book. Sorry, I had another itch. It was on my foot. Alright, front, back, side. Once again, I'm gonna go through the pages real quick like I did on the O3 booklet on Wild Animals Early 04 DVD. Okay, next is the Wild Animals 2001 coloring sheet. Unlike my Naver Animals comparison, I forgot to show the Naver Animals coloring sheet on that comparison, which I will show it real quick just for you guys. I also have the Van Gogh one, which you'll see in the Van Gogh comparison on August 15. So yeah, okay, here's the Naver Animals coloring sheet. And you guys remember I did my I'm just gonna go through this and not gonna go through the pages because I want to make this quick. And you guys remember I did my my Bay Einstein coloring sheet collection, which I will redo that soon. But I am gonna print out much better condition inks on this in the Naver Animals and the Baby Van Gogh coloring sheet, because for some of the ones that had bad ink, like you see on here, so yeah, and make a new one and keep the ones that had perfect condition inks. So yeah. And now for these 6 Wild Animals puppets I have. So first up is the Kids 2 Jane the Monkey puppet. Yeah. And here's the tag. Alright, next is the... Oh, sorry. Trying to scratch my itchy spot. Had another one again, my apologies. Wait. Just trying to read the tag. This is the Rowena Line puppet. I don't know which is by. I used to thought it was by Kids 2, but I don't think it's not by Kids 2. Wait a minute, it could be by Kids 2. I don't know now. But the tag, but here's the tag. Yeah. Alright. The puppet sticks. Here's Stripes the tiger. And here's Neptune the turtle, aka DJ. And here's Noah the elephant. And last but not least, Beethoven the giraffe, aka Tim Chris Swanson. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the Discovering Sheeps comparison, and this is BE 2023 signing off.